In this video, we're going to show how to put 2 straight pins in your Leatherman Signal. All right, so right here we got everything we'll need. First, we'll obviously need the 2 straight pins. Those are these 2 right here. You're going to need straight pins that are about 1 inch long, and these are right about there. We're going to use some mounting putty to make sure it stays in. The amount of putty you need is right here, so it's about a ball of 1/8 of an inch. We've got the needle from our earlier trick here of including a needle in. We'll put that in the middle of all of this. And then of course, we've got the signal, and all of this will be going on underneath here on the sharpener in that little area. First step is going to be to add the ball of mounting putty right to the tip. Originally, when I did this, I did not keep that in there, and one of the needles fell out. They actually stayed in pretty good, and I didn't actually see when it fell out, so I'm not sure where it ended up, but it definitely came out. If you don't put the putty, they kind of clip this lip on the inside there, but clearly not well enough to stay in. So to put the putty in there to give it that extra stick, you just put it in, make sure it's flat underneath here, and get it down in there so it gives you some space to push down. When you look on the side, you shouldn't be able to see it sticking out at all. And I think that is looking pretty good right there. The next thing we're going to do is take the needle and put it in the middle. Just like we did before when we added the needle on its own, we're going to put it in exactly the same place. I'm just going to press it down there. As before, the lip of the inside of the sharpener will also catch the needle, but now you also have the mounting putty to do it as well. So now you see the needle right there in the middle like before. All right, then real simply with the 2 needles, the 2 straight pins, we're just going to put them right down the sides. If you don't have the putty in there, they'll still fit in there pretty snugly right against the lip. But as I noted before, one of them did fall out on me, so I added the putty in there to make sure they stay in a little better. I still want to put them in the same place as if there was no putty, because they did stay pretty good without the putty in there. But now the putty adds that little extra protection to make sure that they're not going to fall out. Pretty hard to get them out now. I can't imagine them just falling out on their own. Whereas I guess when I was using it without the putty, it bounced around and eventually fell out. Then all you got to do is stick it right back on your Leatherman Signal, and there you go.